Hi guys, I'm Ty, this is Phil there, we're from Fairhouse Community College.
Our film is called The Greatest Robbery Ever and we focus on SDG 13 climate action.
Hello, this is our movie, The Plastics from the King's Hospital. It's our entry to the Rubbish Film Festival and based off of SDG 13 climate action. Enjoy!
I believe I should be head of student council as I take care of you guys by giving you food, plants and water. All I ask in return is don't damage my environment.
I should be head of student council. Money, fossil fuels. Man, you can go crazy, I don't even care.
Climate change!
They're the plastics. They're teen royalty.
I heard climate change doesn't recycle, so I don't recycle.
Have you heard about composting?
We hadn't had fresh water in a week. Can you fix that?
That seems like a you problem.
Hi everyone, we are Mount Seskin Community College and we chose SDG 12 and we're showing the potential fallout of irresponsible production and consumption causing access, waste, and we hope that you enjoy our movie.
And that is it for this year's rabbit race. Now on to our first space launch to save our planet from all the rubbish. We have recently heard from NASA the rubbish rocket will be ready to launch any day now. Reports suggest we're going to completely fill Earth with litter by 2030. This is our last attempt at saving our planet.
Hi, we're St. Joseph's College Lucan and we're here to compete in the 2024 Rubbish Film Festival. Our film is called Colourblind. It aims to show the importance of SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Our film is about a businesswoman who's ignorant about the consequences of her actions, and we aim to show this ignorance through the symbolism of rose-tinted glasses. Thank you.
Here you go, miss.
John, literally, I went to your niece's party last night. We're not doing this. I'm taking 6 figures or nothing. 4 figures is literally, crazy. crazy. Do orangutans have to do with my 2 million? Come on.
Make the deal. Do it. You can do it. I know you can.
Do it. It's not that difficult. Do it! Do it! Do it! Need a break.
What happened?
Hey, we're Talent Community School.
We made Escape Ourselves. Escape Ourselves is a short film about humans trying to run away from climate change. But as you'll see in the film, we can't just run away. We cannot escape ourselves, even if we go to space.
Attention, Earth is now uninhabitable. Climate unsustainable. Evacuate to the ships now.
Earth fell. We rose to Mars. It fell too. We thought we needed to escape Earth, but we needed to escape ourselves.
Mars is uninhabitable. Our new home is gone. Leave for Mercury now.